Are you tired of trading time for money? Imagine earning money while you sleep. Today, we're exploring how to build a passive income stream with free AI tools. This is perfect for anyone looking for financial freedom. Let's start with defining passive income. Passive income is money earned with little ongoing effort. It allows you to grow your earnings continuously. So, how can AI help? First, identify your income source. Consider options like blogging, affiliate marketing, or digital products. Each has the potential for passive income. Choose based on your interests. Next, leverage AI tools. They can streamline your work and save you time. For example, use AI writing tools to create blog posts. These tools can generate quality content quickly, without the writer's block. After that, automate your marketing. Use AI-powered tools for social media and email marketing. These tools can schedule posts and send emails automatically. Imagine promoting your blog while you relax. Now, let's talk about building a digital product. You can create online courses or ebooks. Use AI to help you produce quality material efficiently. Once created, these products can sell continuously. Let's break it down further. When you create a blog, use AI to research topics. Use tools like ChatGPT to outline and draft content. This saves hours and enhances creativity. For affiliate marketing, choose trustworthy partners. AI tools can help analyze which products perform well. This data ensures you promote the most profitable items. Think about creating an online course. Use platforms like Teachable. Here, you can upload content developed with AI assistance. Your courses can generate income passively post-launch. Let's consider an example. Imagine starting a blog on travel tips. Use AI to write posts about destinations. Promote them on social media automatically with tools like Buffer. Soon, your blog attracts visitors, earning ad revenue. To recap, start by identifying your income source. Next, use AI tools to create and promote content. Automate your marketing efforts and consider digital products. Building a passive income stream isn't impossible. With determination and AI, you can achieve financial freedom. Start now, explore free AI tools, and begin your journey. Ready to take the next step? Subscribe now for more insightful content. Your future self will thank you.